Every day, sales leads land straight in your inbox, and every day, someone manually reads, copies, and retypes that information into the CRM. Hours lost, details missed, leads gone cold. This is CRM AI Email Lead Parser by Ahex Technologies. Let's see exactly how it works.
Hello, now I'll explain our email parsing system. We are using AI to automatically convert incoming mails into CRM leads. The system reads the incoming mail content, it understands the user intent, then it extracts key details such as customer name, company, contact information, requirements, and budget. Once processed, it automatically creates a qualified lead in the CRM and assigns it to the relevant sales team. Let me show you how to set up this. First, enable the developer mode, then go to the settings and search for incoming mail. Here, you need to set your mail. The name which I gave, like for example, I gave test. Then we need to fill our server name, port, and always we need to enable this SSL by TLS. User, we need to give the Gmail which you are using, and password, we need to give the app password. And we have detailed steps we mentioned in our documentation, like how to create app password. So this is like once configured, the system automatically fetches all incoming mails which comes to this Gmail. Then we need to go to alias domain. Go here, set the Gmail domain. Here now I am using the Gmail, so I kept Gmail. Domain is always which comes after at the rate. If this done, then you have to go to alias. Here you need to set your Gmail which you are using. Always make sure alias contact security should be everyone. Then only you will get mails from everyone. Then if it's done, you need to go to system parameters. Here you need to set your secret OpenAI key. You can see these three key value bits. Always the key value is constant. These values you need to change according to your need, according to your purpose. So now I'm using open router. So I mentioned my provider is like open router. If you are using some other model like GPT or Gemini, you can mention it over there. The model you have to give the model name which you are using. This is your secret open API key. Once all this done, whatever the mail comes to the Gmail which you set in your incoming mail, it will classify it into the lead, spam, or partnership based on the Gmail intent. Here you can see this mail, they are asking for some website development. So AI automatically understands the intent and make it as lead, and it maps the details which are present in the mail. If some extra details there, it will mention all those details in the description. Let me show you the spam. The mail which we got is like, "Hi, how are you?" The body is just so vague. So, this is not a proper lead or partnership. So, I marked it as a spam. Let me show you the partnership. See, this is the partnership. Let me open partnership proposal, fintech collaboration opportunity. So, if any opportunity or incoming mail is a partnership, I mark it as a partnership and it will mention the details. And if you want to create your own dynamic prompt, just go to the settings, search for company, open it, go to AI classification. Here you can set your rules. Based on that, the system will classify. Thank you.
From inbox to CRM lead, automatically, accurately, and instantly. No manual entry, no missed details, no cold leads. AI Email Lead Parser is available now on the Odoo App Store. Built by Ahex Technologies. Visit ahex.co to explore more Odoo plugins and implementation services.